Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be talking about hybrid stepper motors and how they can help you with your application. If you use electric motors, hybrid stepper motors will offer you excellent position control without the need for closed loop control. A hybrid stepper motor is a multi-pole brushless DC electric motor that has a large number of steps in its rotation. This is typically 200 physical steps per revolution, but can also be 400 steps per revolution. What's unique about stepper motors is that they can move to a specific step within their rotation and hold their position without the need for any feedback. That's right. They can operate in a position mode while in open loop with a traditional stepper drive. This makes it a cost-effective and efficient choice for many applications. As well as the advantages that I've just mentioned, hybrid stepper motors have an incredible power density. This means they can generate significant rotational torque relative to their compact design, making them perfect for applications where you need direct drive, low speed, and have limited space. Since hybrid stepper motors are brushless, there's no need for brushes that can wear out over time. This results in a longer operational life and reduces the need for frequent maintenance. The best part about these motors is that they can operate in open loop operation. This means there's no need for additional feedback devices, so you can easily keep the system cost to a minimum. If you make sure that you have the correct size motor for your application, then you're good to go. And that's where Motion Control Products comes in. We provide an extensive range of high-quality hybrid stepper motors with frame sizes from NEMA 6 to NEMA 42. At Motion Control Products, we believe in giving you exactly what you need. We offer hybrid stepper motors and drives with not only open loop control, but also with closed loop control, giving you further peace of mind for critical control so you can know when the motor has reached position. But that's a topic for another video. Further to this, we can also offer customization options like custom shafts, connectors, and cable lengths, ensuring the motor fits your specific requirements. With all the additional options like gearboxes, holding brakes, and closed loop options with encoders, we can offer enhanced performance and versatility. Our hybrid stepper motors have proven their worth in various real-life applications. They found their place in ticketing machines, ATM machines, medical pumps, 3D printers, CNC machines, and much more. So there you have it. Hybrid stepper motors are the reliable and efficient choice for motion control applications. And here at Motion Control Products, we've got you covered with a wide range of options and technical support. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. If you've got any questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out to us by using the information below. Bye for now.